decided to break it up. So, see how long it takes this one right here to go. Have its own video. You know, it's its own style. Matter of fact, you want to sign an autograph, make sure you sign an autograph. So, let's get this thing on the road here. See how long it took. Took 16 minutes for the other one. Let's see how long it takes to lock this one down. Look at it. Let's look at it, y'all. Get a good look at it. Look at it. Also look at that one too. I'm probably gonna video it though. Yeah. Mississippi here. We here. Grasshopper here.